Hey everyone, welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. Today is Thursday, November 21st. As per usual, this is a series where you can see things you expect to see from us here at Fort Worth Fabric Studio. So without further ado, let's get right into it. And that does it for this week. I want to thank you all so much for watching and keeping up with this series. As per usual, everything you saw in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Please like this video if you enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe button with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload, and we'll see you next week.